In today's fast-paced digital world, we're all looking for ways to squeeze more productivity out of our workday. What if I told you there's a secret weapon hiding in plain sight, ready to transform your Windows experience? That secret weapon is keyboard shortcuts. Mastering these simple key combinations can significantly boost your efficiency, allowing you to perform tasks in seconds that might otherwise take multiple clicks and mouse movements. Imagine the time you'll save, the frustration you'll avoid, and the feeling of accomplishment as you navigate your computer with effortless speed. This isn't just about working faster, it's about working smarter. By minimizing reliance on your mouse, you'll reduce strain on your wrist and hand, making your workday more comfortable. Plus, keyboard shortcuts can make you feel like a genuine tech wizard, effortlessly gliding through tasks that leave others clicking and scrolling in your dust. So, are you ready to unlock the full potential of your Windows PC and experience a dramatic leap in productivity? Let's dive into the world of Windows shortcuts and transform the way you work. Every journey begins with a single step, and in the realm of digital efficiency, that step is learning the basics. Our shortcut mastery adventure starts with the essentials, the very foundation upon which all other skills are built. These fundamental shortcuts are the building blocks of efficient Windows navigation and are used across countless applications. They are the unsung heroes of productivity, quietly working behind the scenes to save you time and effort. First up, we have the dynamic duo of text manipulation control and C for copy. This simple yet powerful shortcut allows you to duplicate text, files, and folders with just a couple of keystrokes. And then there's Control and V for paste. Together, these two shortcuts form the backbone of efficient data handling. These shortcuts are second nature to many, allowing you to duplicate and move text, files, and folders with incredible ease. Imagine the time saved by not having to right-click and navigate through menus every time you need to copy or paste something. No more tedious right-clicking and menu selections. Just a quick keyboard combo and you're good to go. This efficiency can be a game-changer, especially when working on large projects or managing multiple files. Next, we have Control and X for cut, a shortcut that works hand-in-hand with paste. This allows you to move text or files from one location to another seamlessly. This shortcut lets you remove text or files from their current location, ready to be placed elsewhere using paste. It's like having a digital pair of scissors at your fingertips. Think of it as a digital cut and paste for your computer. Whether you're reorganizing a document or moving files between folders, this shortcut makes the process quick and painless. The ability to cut and paste efficiently can significantly streamline your workflow, reducing the time spent on mundane tasks and allowing you to focus on more important work. Finally, no basic shortcut toolkit would be complete without Control and Z for undo. This lifesaver allows you to reverse your last action, providing a safety net for accidental deletions or formatting mishaps. And let's not forget Control and Y for redo. This shortcut lets you repeat your last action, making it easy to correct mistakes or apply the same change multiple times. These lifesavers allow you to reverse or repeat your last action, providing a safety net for accidental deletions or formatting mishaps. They are essential tools for maintaining control over your work and ensuring that you can easily correct any errors. By mastering these fundamental shortcuts, you'll be well on your way to a more efficient and streamlined Windows experience. These simple keystrokes can transform the way you work, making your computer use more intuitive and less time-consuming. So take the time to practice and incorporate these shortcuts into your daily routine. Your future self will thank you for it. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive deeper into the world of digital shortcuts that can significantly streamline your file management and navigation. These shortcuts are designed to make it a breeze to find what you need exactly when you need it, saving you precious time and effort. Say goodbye to the days of endless clicking through countless folders and menus. With these powerful shortcuts, you are truly in the driver's seat, navigating your digital world with ease and efficiency. First on our list is the combination of the Windows key and E. Think of it as the gateway to your digital kingdom, a quick and easy way to access all your files. This shortcut instantly opens File Explorer, providing you with a clear and organized view of all your drives, folders, and files. No more searching for the File Explorer icon. One swift keystroke and you're there. Imagine the time you'll save by not having to hunt for the File Explorer icon. With just one keystroke, you can access everything you need. Once you're in File Explorer, the Control-N shortcut becomes your new best friend. This handy shortcut opens a new File Explorer window, allowing you to easily drag and drop files between locations, or compare the contents of different folders side by side. This feature is especially useful when you're organizing your files or need to move documents from one folder to another. It simplifies the process and makes file management a breeze. For lightning-fast searches, look no further than the Windows key and S shortcut. This powerful combination summons the Windows search bar, ready to help you track down any file, folder, setting, or app on your system. Simply start typing your search term and watch as Windows presents you with relevant results in real time. It's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips, ready to find exactly what you need. The real-time search results make it incredibly easy to locate files, even if you can't remember their exact names. Just type in a keyword and let Windows do the rest. With these navigational shortcuts at your fingertips, you'll be zipping through your files and folders with unmatched speed and precision. Embrace these tools and transform the way you interact with your digital world, making your daily tasks more efficient and enjoyable. Ready to take your shortcut game to the next level? Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, these advanced shortcuts will revolutionize the way you interact with your computer. Windows 10 offers a treasure trove of advanced shortcuts designed to unlock hidden features and streamline your workflow. These shortcuts are not just about saving time. They are about enhancing your overall productivity and making your computing experience more efficient and enjoyable. These shortcuts might seem like superpowers at first, but with a little practice, they'll become second nature. Imagine being able to navigate through your tasks with the ease and precision of a seasoned professional. Let's start with virtual desktops, a powerful multitasking feature that allows you to create separate workspaces for different projects or applications. This is especially useful for those who need to keep their work and personal tasks separate, or for anyone who likes to organize their workflow into distinct categories. Windows key, Control-N instantly creates a new virtual desktop, providing a clean slate for you to work with. This means you can have one desktop for your work-related tasks, another for personal browsing, and yet another for any side projects you might be working on. Switch between desktops using Windows key, Control and left arrow or right arrow. This allows you to quickly move between different workspaces without losing your place or having to minimize and maximize windows constantly. And when you're done with a particular desktop, you can close it with Windows key, Control, and F4. This helps keep your workspace tidy and ensures that you only have the desktops you need open at any given time. For those who frequently juggle multiple applications, these shortcuts are a game changer. They allow you to manage your tasks more effectively and keep everything organized. Windows key and tab is a godsend. This shortcut activates Task View, providing a panoramic view of all your open windows and virtual desktops. It's like having a bird's-eye view of your entire workspace. From here, you can easily switch between applications, create new desktops, or close windows you no longer need. This makes it incredibly easy to manage your workflow and ensures that you can always find what you're looking for. Task View is not just about switching between applications. It's about giving you control over your workspace. You can create new desktops for different tasks, move windows between desktops, and close applications that you no longer need, all from one convenient interface. Finally, we have Windows Key and Print Screen, a quick and easy way to capture a screenshot of your entire screen and save it directly to your Pictures folder. This is perfect for when you need to capture information quickly and efficiently. No more fumbling with the snipping tool or third-party apps. This shortcut makes capturing and saving screenshots a breeze. Whether you're saving important information, sharing your screen with others, or just keeping a record of something, this shortcut is incredibly useful. By mastering these advanced shortcuts, you'll unlock the full potential of Windows 10. These tools are designed to make your life easier and your work more efficient. You'll find that tasks that used to take several steps can now be accomplished with just a few keystrokes. This not only saves time, but also reduces the mental load of managing multiple tasks. You'll unlock hidden features that you might not have known existed, and you'll be able to navigate your computer with a new level of confidence and skill. Transforming your computer into a lean, mean productivity machine is within your reach. With these advanced shortcuts, you'll be well on your way to becoming a Windows 10 power user.